Hello, everyone. Timing is everything. And when you rear on the highway, every second counts. The 3-second rule helps you avoid accidents. Let's see. We usually think of stopping in terms of space. But what really matters is time. It takes about 1.5 seconds to notice potential risk in front of you. And another 1.5 seconds to react to the brakes. And slow it out. So you want to give yourself at least 3 seconds between the car in front of you and your vehicle. To measure, wait for the car ahead of you to pass a set object. Like house, light pole, stone or anything around. Any clear marker will do whoever passes. Start counting from the tree. The front car passes point 1001. 1002, 1003. If you reach that same object before you reach there, you're too close. Of course, this 3-second baseline is right for a car in normal driving conditions. Driving in bad weather, add 1 more second. Driving an SUV, add another second. If you're driving a commercial vehicle, it's gotta be at least 6 seconds. So don't forget the 3-second rule. And don't forget to show the safety through friends and family. Hope you understand properly by looking video. Thank you.